Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach, and we are transforming from the inside out towards that generational wealth. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how I got my first house under contract. Woohoo! For those of you who have been rooting for me, thank you so much. It's been literally 7 months since I started my real estate journey, which actually investing in real estate. It's been 7 months, and it was literally to the date, April 27th, that I got my first contract. Now, I had some other deals that were potential deals, but it never really went through to the contract phase. So this is my very first deal and so many more to come. So I'm very excited. So this deal, I'm just going to break down in this video what this deal was all about and how I got this deal. So this was a wholesale deal. So for those of you who may not know what wholesaling is, it's basically when you find a property that is, very distressed, that needs a lot of fixing up, and you're basically a middleman. So you're bringing a seller and an end buyer together, and you're getting a fee in the middle. And that fee could be anywhere from $5,000, $10,000 and up, right? So with this deal, I'm hoping to, make a good $10,000 on this deal. So this is how it works. You find a seller who is looking to sell, right? Who's motivated. They have to be motivated, because if they're not motivated to sell, they're going to wait out this market and they are going to, just sell to the highest bidder. So a motivated seller is somebody that needs to sell, not just wants to sell, but they need to get rid of the property. And those were the exact words that the seller said to me. He had a contract. He was under contract with somebody else. And he told me that contract fell through because the person got COVID. Actually, he didn't even go into contract. Was supposed to go into contract. The person got COVID, and for whatever reason, they never went under contract. And the seller told me, I just got to sell this property. I just want to get rid of it, right? Those are the words that you want to hear when you're working a wholesale deal. Why? Because a wholesale deal is, again, distressed property, and I'm going to now assign this contract, right? Assign this contract to an end buyer who's either going to fix it up and flip it, or they're going to fix it up and rent it out, whatever they're going to do with it. But my job will be done, right? I'm just going to connect the seller to the end buyer. So I bought this property for, a few $1,000s. And now I'm going to sell this property, but I'm not really selling the property. I'm selling the contract, because I'm not giving the seller any of my own money. So that's how you buy property with no money down. So my next steps after this, after I got into contract, I had to do a title search, right? So I had to make sure that the property is it has a clear title. So now my job right now is just to find myself an end buyer. And I told the seller that I have 30 days, give me 30 days, and I'll find a buyer, get a partner that's going to close this deal. So woohoo! I can't wait to close this deal within the next few weeks or so. And, this has been a journey. So this is my first deal as a real estate investor. So I'm super excited. And, many more to come. I've been grinding away, guys. I've been grinding away. You guys see my journey. You see the grind, right? You see the grind. And, it's been 7 months. And I had told myself in April, I said, by the end of this month, I'm going to make a deal. I didn't know what kind of deal it was going to be. I didn't know it was going to be a wholesale deal, but hey, a deal is a deal. So now I'm just going to continue to get more deals into my pipeline. It was just that first one, right? That first one is like the hardest one, because you just don't know if you're saying things right. I've lost a couple deals because I just feel like I dropped the ball. I didn't answer the right questions. I didn't answer. I didn't say the things that I needed to say on the phone. So the seller lost a little bit of confidence in the transaction. So this first deal gave me the confidence that I needed in the real estate investing space to keep moving forward. Now, one of the things you have to do, you have to transform from the inside, right? You have to have confidence period, right? To get on the phone and speak to people. You've seen me on the phone, cold calling. I drive for dollars. I've been doing all these things. And I also have a virtual assistant who also calls sellers for me. So you gotta get out there and you gotta transform from the inside out. You gotta get that confidence. You gotta know that you deserve this money. You deserve to close the deal. You deserve to get under contract. And you got to go with that expectation every time you get on the phone. You have to expect success. So, this is how I got my first real estate deal, my first wholesale deal. And like I said, many more to come. Not necessarily wholesale, but I want to, do a lot of creative financing. Again, no money down. You don't need money or credit to do the type of business that I'm doing with real estate. So it's exciting. You could do it from the comforts of your own home. As you see, I'm lounging today. I got on my hat, right? I'm just chilling today and, making deals from home. That's what's so great about this business as well, because you can actually do it from home. You don't have to have an office. You don't have to, you do need your LLC. So I'm glad I have my corporation already set up. So when I signed the contract, I signed the contract in my company's name, right? We do all real estate transactions in a business name, not in your personal name. You are a business, right? You are a business. So you want to do everything within your business. And that's what I had already had that set up. I had all those things set up. All I needed was the deal. All I needed was the contract. And, that has happened. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to get that check. I'll be showing y'all when I get that check. And like I said, this is just the beginning of my successful real estate investing journey. And I'm glad that you're here with me. And if you want to learn more about how to invest in real estate, like I said, I started with Fundrise. There's a link in the description below. That's virtual real estate. They are buying properties all over North America. And so, that's growing as well. So that money over there is growing. But eventually I'll have some more, and also my mentor, Ron LeGrand, if you want to, there's a link down below. You can join his Gold Club. You get free leads. You get free leads every day to your inbox. That's how I'm finding my leads. Actually, I found this leads on Craigslist. But we get free leads. I have leads every single day coming to my inbox, because one of the things that you need as a real estate investor, you need leads. You need people to talk to. You need to find out who wants to sell their house. And instead of having to go out there and find it yourself, you can have these leads come to your inbox. So go ahead and check out my description box below, or lots of good goodies down there. Make sure you download my success guide, where I share my 5 steps to success, abundance, and prosperity. What took me from being broke, homeless, and just literally down and out to now, running my own business and, just doing it, doing what I need to do to get back on top, because, we like the top, right? Because the bottom is too crowded. We don't like to be at the bottom. The bottom is too crowded. We like to be at the top, where the movers and shakers and the successful 1%ers are, right? That's where I want to be. And that's where you want to be too. So my friends, I just thought I would share this video with you. Give it a thumbs up. Please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, as I bring more content to you on how to transform from the inside out, so that you can start to create that generational wealth that you and your family deserve. All right, my friends, I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay great, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys at the top, because again, the bottom is just way too crowded. Till then, peace.